So I know y'all often wonder what happens when the food is bad. So we ain't going home hungry, that's for sure. But the journey continues. So now we gotta find something to replace what we ate that wasn't that good. But it is what it is. It looked beautiful. Tasted okay. But it wasn't the greatest.
So we decided to go to Ishkabibbles. That right there is the turkey chop. My go-to sandwich at Ishkabibbles. Better than a cheesesteak. So it's a turkey burger chop with spinach, green peppers, onions, and mayo. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.